Welcome to LeadsGPS, the ultimate AI tool for entrepreneurs. Discover how to find, score, and close your best leads effortlessly. Are you spending hours hunting for leads, staring at blank emails, or juggling too many tools? LeadsGPS simplifies these tasks into one seamless solution. LeadsGPS is your AI-powered sales assistant, handling everything from finding fresh leads to closing deals, so you can focus on what matters. Automatically find your perfect customers with LeadsGPS. Capture leads from anywhere and forget outdated databases. LeadsGPS analyzes every lead, revealing who's most likely to buy and the best way to reach them, ensuring you know exactly who to call first. LeadsGPS writes personalized emails and call scripts, making outreach easy and effective. Just hit send and watch your engagement grow. Follow up automatically with LeadsGPS. Set up sequences and blasts to ensure no lead falls through the cracks. Transform your website into a lead-generating machine with beautiful capture forms and keyword-optimized landing pages. Organize your deals with a built-in CRM. Track, forecast, and manage your pipeline effortlessly with LeadsGPS. Market, book, and create content all in one place with LeadsGPS. Everything you need for seamless business operations. LeadsGPS connects with tools you already use, ensuring smooth integration and enhanced productivity. Getting started is easy. Sign up, describe your business, and find your first lead in minutes with LeadsGPS. Visit LeadsGPS.com to learn more and sign up for your free CRM account today. Replace multiple tools with one powerful platform